Hello children, welcome back to our geography session. We have learnt about the northern states in this chapter, those states that are in the north of India. Now in this chapter, further we are going to study about the northeastern states. Here we have the northeastern states of our country. The northeastern states are 7 in number. This is why they are called the 7 sisters. Now in this chapter we will learn about these 7 sisters. Coming to the first sister, that is Arunachal Pradesh. We are here with Arunachal Pradesh, which is in the northeast part of our country. It borders the state of Assam and Nagaland to the south. Its capital city is Itanagar, and the unique thing about this state is that the first morning sun rays in the entire country is seen in the Dong village in Arunachal Pradesh. So this is something unique about this state. Some of the important cities are here, that is Tawang, Zero, Bomdila, Pasighat. The water bodies of this state include the Kameng, Subansiri, Siang, Dibang, Lohit and Noadighi rivers. Next we come to the second sister, that is the Manipur. It is also situated in the northeastern part of our country, and it borders Nagaland to the north, Mizoram to the south and Assam to the west. Its capital city is Imphal, and its important cities are Bishnupur, Churachandpur, Moirang and Ukhrul. So these are some important cities of Manipur. Some of the important water bodies here are the 4 major river basins, that is the Barak River Basin in the Barak Valley to the west, the Manipur River Basin in central Manipur, U River Basin in the east, and a portion of the Lndia River Basin in the north. So this is a very important thing, that is that there are 4 major river basins. Next we have the third sister, Meghalaya, which means the abode of clouds. This state gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. So the most amount of rainfall is in this state. Meghalaya was previously part of Assam. It was a part of Assam, and on January 21st, 1972, the districts of Khasi, Garo and Jensha Hills, these became the new state of Meghalaya. It shares its borders with Assam to the north and east. The capital city is Shillong, which is a very beautiful and a popular hill station. Now we come to some important cities of the state. It is Cherrapunji, Tura, Mausinram, Nonpo, Bagmara. Important water bodies. Most of these are rain-fed and seasonal. That means during the rainy season, these rivers are in steady flow, and while in the whole year. It is almost dry. So they are Daring, Sanda, Bandra, Bhogai, Digaru, Omiam, Maupa. These are the important rain-fed or seasonal rivers. Now coming to the next sister, that is Mizoram. It is the second least populated state in the country, and it means land of the hill people. Its location is also in the northeastern state because it is one of the seven sisters, and it borders with Tripura, Assam and Manipur. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, and apart from it, Darlon, Khawhai, Kolasib are the important cities of this state. Getting on to the water bodies. The water bodies come from the rolling hills, valleys, rivers and lakes. This state is a very beautiful state. As many as 21 major hills, ranges or peaks of different heights run through the length and breadth of the state. Tlong is a river of Mizoram with Tutis as its tributary. So, if this is a river flowing, then it shares a branch which is called Tutis. Coming to the next system, that is Nagaland. Nagaland shares its borders with the state of Assam to the west, Arunachal Pradesh and part of Assam to the north, Manipur to the south. Its capital city is Kohima. It is largely a mountainous state. Then Dimapur, Kefire, Longlen are some of the other districts of this state. Rivers like Doyang and Diphu to the north, Barak River in the southwest, this dissects the entire state. That means it divides the entire state into two equal halves. Next is the Assam. You know about the Assam teas? Yes, this is the state where from we get the tea. So the tea leaves is famous in Assam, and it is well known. Apart from tea, the silk also. Even silk cultivation is also done here. The first oil well of Asia was drilled in this state. It is situated in the northeast part of our country, completely you can say the eastern part, and it guards the northeast part of our country and is the gateway to the northeastern states. It borders Assam for Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and West Bengal. Its capital city is Dispur and the important cities are Dibrugarh, Silchar, Tezpur, Dhubri. Water bodies. Now in Assam we have the river Brahmaputra, which is a very famous river, and it makes the state of Assam very fertile for rice and jute. Next we have is Tripura. The Tripura is located, it is the third smallest state of India and bordered by Bangladesh to the north, south and west, and the Indian states of Assam and Mizoram to the east. Its capital is Agartala and the important cities are Kumarghat, Badharghat, Dharmanagar, Amarpur, Kunjabon. These are some important cities. Then the water bodies, the rivers originate in the hills of Tripura and flow of Bangladesh. The Khowai, Dhalia, Manu, Juri and Longai flow towards the north, the Gumti to the west, and also Muhuri and Feni to the southwest. Now these were the 7 sisters of our country, which are located in the northeastern part of India. So this is all about this chapter. We'll study more of our states and know more about them in our next chapter. So till then, have a nice day.